It's Sunday afternoon, and I'm just wondering what we're going to have for dinner. So I opened up the fridge, I looked in the veggie bin, and I had a scrounge around, and I found a few bits and pieces, a partially used leeks, and a chopped off carrot, a handful of tomatoes, oh, and of course onions. Always got onions in the house. There was a bit of bacon I'd had in the freezer that needed using, so I gathered everything together. I chopped and whisked and cut and created a lovely filling for in my pie shell. I layered the vegetables. I made two layers. That's a nice way to get a better flavour all round. Popped the quiche into the oven, and 20 minutes later I had this gorgeous smelling, beautiful quiche ready for on the table. What a lovely way to end a Sunday and to end a week where I had done a lot of cooking and still ended up with little bits and pieces. So, quiche, thank you for being so versatile. Such a lovely meal, hearty and tasty. Enjoy the kitchen, everyone. Have fun cooking.